What's up YouTube and welcome back to AB Moto. I'm back with another reaction video. I'm about to react to 10-minute dirt bike chase with police. Let's get right into it. Cut up a little bit. We got here RMZ 250 F. Oh no, I'm saying 250. It's RMZ 250, man. My bad. Yeah, this don't sound like no 450. Then again, I can't really hear. Might be an RMG 250. He ain't really sliding like that. Did the chase start already or am I tripping? Oh, okay, there you go. He stopping? Stopping. How we listen to the sunset? Yeah, this can't be no 450. He not sliding like that. But still gonna get away though. I already know where he going. He gotta be going to some woods. Like he's sliding now. What fifth gear pin right now? Don't blow it. I ain't gonna lie, that boy might need a new top end after this. Yeah, he for sure on the 250. How you know he ain't finna start? He just ran for that long. You know he trying to get out of the car. That boy keep hitting them power wheelies. See how he gonna get away. You know, I thought this was a compilation, but this might just be one vid. This might be one person. Sundown Willies. Panic, now don't wipe out. That's it? Gave up? I don't know now. Got by. What, 6 minutes left? I don't think he gave up. Oh, hold on. Don't like he moved. I still hear sirens. I'm gonna make it to the field. You grits, my boy. Ah, the police went into the grass. Gotta cut the bike off. I ain't gonna lie, that's a lot of land though. Like, if I had that much land, I ain't gonna lie, I would ride. I'd do a little land riding, a little grass, a little, you know what I'm saying, a little dirt riding. Yeah, that boy good. He ain't catching him. Oh, that boy.
Really, nigga?
That boy stalled up. That boy wiped out. That's crazy. Hey, at least he ain't wiped out when the police was behind him, though. That boy might be lost, I ain't gonna lie. That would be crazy that the police officer right though. And it is. Whoa, that's crazy. How? How? How he found that boy? That boy just went through a whole field. Big old field. That's crazy. Unless he got back on the same road. Cause how, bro, ain't no way. He probably sat in that field for a little minute and let the police go around the whole thing. Oh, that boy run out of gas. It's a long go road. He laughing? He laughing? Finally got away this time. Sundown Willis. Oh, he got away, finally. Okay, okay. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the end of the reaction. If y'all enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button if y'all want to see more reactions. And if y'all want to see any bike builds or restorations, subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.